Abaye de botechini ye de bo ma president mama. Inti so obetena wa ye hwehan na wa ma obi esmie president Kufo wa wonim se wo papa ne president Kufo asema wo agent yi katia president Kufo ya no correct shroud report in 2006 in fact Alhaji Baturi ya wenya ne baby ko Kennedy Ajafo Adamfo Alhaji Baturi muti group bi se any investigation for the petition shroud over
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wafreme adwowa searching ebusuafo Kelvin Taylor's waso na efia pokua vim lady oba owa kokuduru so ono so aso ti Kelvin Taylor twape no de asi e de dan say efia pokua no hu se o kan politics ho sem kra ene ono Kelvin Taylor patupa na si efia pokua at US na Kelvin situ at US minim se Kelvin no se fia pokua ama na warning bi o se danyu because na say the way fia pokua etotoma na Kelvin na Kelvin do man reply na I don't think madness ebusuafo fia pokua vim lady Kelvin Taylor starting ni se mu ya wa so de se o mampenda da akufo no so eso o ye lazy o te hwe mu na we di Ghana standard ya di na fia pokua ye se o man penny his excellency John Dramani Mahama aba ye de botachi no sa aba na ye de boban nso be vice president obeye statesman inyenyenye bia Ghana member ye so 100 years wa bakotene fi na de obi di obi a ebeye wode wo agent Kelvin Taylor ena wa tua ne ka no wa di Ghana fo mpanifo atama o mampani ku dada akofo ye wo papa ntumi kanje Kelvin Taylor so ngenze mu na wo di no na fia pokua ne kasem no chese Kelvin Taylor so na odi Ghana fo matem na odi wo ya atem na wo ya yese na wo ntimi nwo Emma Almighty Madam Samira NPP omo flag bearer Vice President Dr. Bawumianere Samira nda no odi na tem na fia pokua ya chese aside politics kra no John Dramani Mahama obetimi adi Madam Samira atem sa yenti nsema fia pokua ya de atubia
Abaye de botechini ye de bo ma president mama inti so obetena wa ye hwehan na wa ma obi esmie president Kufo wa wonim se wo papa ne president Kufo asema wo agent yi katia president Kufo ya no correct shroud report in 2006 in fact Alhaji Baturi ya wenya ne baby ko Kennedy Ajafo Adamfo Alhaji Baturi muti group bi se any investigation for the petition shroud over president Kufo hotel wawa president Kufo tia konya so he could have used every means me de misabe bo man ni sikamu na me de akwakoye hotel or koji loan with Prudential Bank. If anything crank, I'll see a bond sema president Kufo so koji loan. Then you have the effrontery. You have the audacity to come and sit there and say that we are manisika. Shame on you. Shame on you. Penny bien ufie. Decent person be no President Kufo. Even call President Kufo in the caliber of Chief Kufo. President Kufo ne nana level could be new ufie John. O person obe say obi din running it down asana home was sorry. Narcissist one running obi down one for obi am bre obi sunsuma se we ni matem one fan madros a man supporter a man away ge and away nim and away of no onwo and away say one fan di obi atema home one sorry oda won na udidi anya ode abroni beye ni adwemone sunsumbone that is hunting you sunsumbone e hunting nti this wa bre obi asiasa na wo ani age wa bre obi sunsuma se just say Samira now even politics aside that been about the president mama ko nyina baby so bi o kaseti Samira na political issues obi disagree no ajabe no papa say na me call raw Samira dross now when raw dross na we need deal with say kasa crass language vulgar language abusive language eno na wonim
Ghana ni na ya blogger aye juma azama NDC mo aba power Wintumu amawahwe we defame MPP Nabaumia for the NDC to come to power. What can you account for now? The NDC wabeno was our money. What can you account for? Nothing. Now let me tell you the agreement between Kelvin Taylor and the NDC. From the close source, Damager Kelvin Taylor Okado Beye on the paper on agreement with the NDC with Mahama. On your there. Obedi fame Bawumia and the MPP government to lose. Now, these are his conditions. 1. NDC for power charges are what the board in Yanano. NDC for make sure the wife will cancel all the charges. NDC for Oba power way. That is the reason why into our Oba Ghana. Now the charges need now Obo. If you don't know, you know. 2. Or charge NDC $5 million. $5 million, which have been paid to him. Just to sit behind a camera, defame somebody. $5 million. Now, blogger now, etihona, Eshisharoba left and right, trying your best to defame MPP government. Abadine Abadze in the MPP for no why NDC for no why am. 3. Ne bread and our friend Joe na mebe kan ho asem there. Engagement last month ma Franka Mwakoine or baby no. On an end is for appointing him obey. Joe no buffer stock. From a taxi driver, according to the agreement, Kevin Taylor had one fan in Shebibia, or a very juicy, no what they call buffer stock. No, so that the buffer stock they pay to one fan called MPA. One man in very good position with a car, which is 4x4. That has been done. Again, won't see Danemane Mame fully finished. One son won't see hostel with UCC one for man. Na the medano, ne mama na ne papa we did you. That building is still ongoing. Maybe so our young blogger. Before the 2024 election, at the camera see when him a year did a defaming NDC MPP a defaming Baumia about no damo. Kevin Taylor why the $5 million actually go to go? Yeah, what the $5 million I'm an away and a taxpayers money. That's go to come. Now see your back. What is happening? You bring a sebi. And wana been wo phone kakra no. Wa ba wo DM. Na wa ba wo comment section. Wa ba come WhatsApp. But you see, I don't blame you people because Mahama nankasa Ghana for nankasa akohwi no wope. Mahia na bi da akohwi a kire won. E di akohwi kire won na ba power na ye mepe. Ono aso san twa no ho ba de Ghana for your loss of retentive memory. Encourage we could cruiska $5 million. What am I pako? Kevin Taylor. Ebium. Che anasansa ni issue no. Nche te. Okay, agreement no. No Pascal. Anasansa yanka wadene ko share National Health Insurance. Or then go can board for one. Okay, agreement I care for any NDC for one year quiet. And or Pascal. I wait the NDC chief for so many years. What can you hit on your chest to say there, oh, Akosia menu, Uncle Call. As I mean, your party money. But say ibinim ba na wobɛka no kwara na akyerɛ wɔn a na was attempted or that who share on the comment section. The human already am in listen the conditions apart from Anasansa and the upper sky in Kani Nara has been sorted. What about you? Useless blogger. What about you?